We are losing biodiversity at an alarming rate, largely due to the exploitation of the planet by people. It's becoming clear that creating protected areas is not enough to halt biodiversity loss. Many scientists are now turning to ecosystem restoration as an alternative approach. Ecosystem restoration places greater emphasis on improving the quality and size of habitats for biodiversity. But importantly, it also looks beyond protected areas to also focus on changing the way people manage agricultural, forestry, and urban areas for the benefit of biodiversity. In recognition of the urgency and need for radical change, we are now entering the UN Decade on Restoration, and this special edition of Ecography is dedicated to the emerging science around it. Our highlights: Animal reintroductions. Carly Vinn and colleagues discuss how reintroduction of relatively few species of large terrestrial mammals could have a disproportionately large impact on restoring historically intact mammal communities across large regions, restoring ecosystem integrity through trophic interactions, strengthening habitats, and meeting targets under the Convention on Biological Diversity. Bringing back complexity. Bullock and colleagues explain how restoring ecosystem complexity can give habitats resilience to cope with environmental change. They propose that restoring complexity, for example through trophic rewilding, should be made a target alongside targets for individual species. Restoring habitats for climate benefits. Bukowski and colleagues describe the climate benefits to restoring mangroves in Thailand, which helps to store atmospheric free carbon in biomass. Investing in the restoration and rewilding of ecosystems is essential to prevent biodiversity loss, to mitigate against climate change, and to provide a healthy planet for all life on Earth. Ecography's special edition on restoration features papers covering rewilding, climate change mitigation, ecological complexity and stability, and more.